See, hi friends, I'm going to play this game. This is the second episode of Gameplays by Avantika. Wait. It's showing from Solapur to Valsad. First I'll show the location in the map. വീട്ടിലല്ലോ ഇങ്ങനെ ഇട്ടാൽ മാത്രം അത് Something is happening with my character. It's the mobile's fault, not mine. Valsad, Charkar, Saturday 2nd January. This is Surya Nagiri. I'm booking Valsad station. Given island XP is there. I'll do that. Island XP. Here it's only arriving. It became arriving. It's actually arriving, everybody. Not this train, okay? Island XP is 1 kilometer away. It's coming. To Valsad it will show. If you reach Valsad, mission will be success. Just like in the previous episode. I showed you, right? The mobile is only making this character back, not me. Don't say it's my fault. It's the mobile's fault. Something happened to my mobile. These things and all mobile is doing. That's why I can't play. It's coming. This train is coming. I'm sitting in a nearby seat because my mobile doesn't allow where to sit. I'll see the ticket. This is actually Island Express from Solapur to Valsad, Charkar. I'm sitting in a Charkar only. I'm buying things continuously from the vendor because I want to eat. My hunger is 77%. Now it became 100%. 100 means full. I'm going to the toilet now to refill my bladder also. It's now 98%. Hunger will go soon. It's like that in train traveler. I'm sitting in the same seat. Let me sleep now. You know, I post these new videos continuously. Okay, you can see after each 1 hour, 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour or 4 hour, we reach the station
कृपया
Pune.
ध्यान दीजिए गाड़ी नंबर 6530
Now I wake up.
अप बंगलोर से आने
Now
वाली
it is
बैंगलोर
full.
छत्रपति शिवाजी टर्मिनस
The
मुंबई
bladder is going
उद्यान एक्सप्रेस
continuously.
प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 3
I mean,
पर
the
थोड़ी
bladder
ही देर में आ रही है।
person is
कृपया
going.
लक्ष्य द्या गाड़ी नंबर 6
It's full
5
now.
3 अप बैंगलोर वरुण येणारी बैंगलोर छत्रपति शिवाजी टर्मिनस मुंबई उद्यान एक्सप्रेस प्लॅटफॉर्म क्रमांक 3 वर थोड्याच वेळात येत आहे. You kind
Something
attention
happened to the
please.
screen
Train
so
number
that the screen is going upside down. Not my
6530
fault.
up Bangalore Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus
It's
Mumbai
not my fault,
Udyan
everybody.
Express
Don't do
coming
this.
from Bangalore will arrive shortly on platform number 3. कृपया ध्यान दीजिए गाड़ी नंबर 6530 अप बंगलोर से आने वाली बैंगलोर छत्रपति शिवाजी टर्मिनस मुंबई उद्यान एक्सप्रेस प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 3 पर थोड़ी ही देर में आ रही है। कृपया लक्ष्य द्या गाड़ी नंबर 6530 अप बैंगलोर वरुण येणारी बैंगलोर छत्रपति शिवाजी टर्मिनस मुंबई उद्यान एक्सप्रेस प्लॅटफॉर्म क्रमांक 3 वर थोड्याच वेळात येत आहे. You kind attention please. Train number 6530 up Bangalore Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus Mumbai Udyan Express coming from Bangalore will arrive shortly on platform number 3.
You can't go like this. I want to go to a nearby toilet because this phone is disturbing
कृपया
me.
ध्यान दीजिए गाड़ी नंबर
I don't want to go.
6530 अप बंगलोर से आने वाली बैंगलोर
It
छत्रपति
became
शिवाजी
like this
टर्मिनस
soon.
मुंबई उद्यान एक्सप्रेस प्लेटफॉर्म
won't go.
नंबर 3 पर थोड़ी ही देर में
I forgot to show you the map, everyone. This is the map. Here is Valsad, near Surat, Valsad, here, after Mumbai. The phone is irritating me. The phone itself is doing that, not me, everyone, please. Everybody should view this video. Why? Because I will get 1 million subscribers every day for this. Okay, I'll post new videos, but my only problem is the problem with my mobile, which I'm playing this game. Something happened to the phone. I'm getting angry with this. It's showing please wait. Why? Because it will allow to leave from the Pune station. I will be a popular subscriber if you watch this video. If my video had 1 billion views, it could be very nice. I could be much more luckiest person. The mobile itself is doing. Now the ticket checker will be there to check our ticket. He's here. Yeah, he's asking. It's running out. The bladder is running out. To go fast if my mobile won't play like this. It became 93. Why can't it become 100? I love only 100%. Why? Because this person could be lucky, the train traveler. Everybody should be lucky. Why I'm standing next to the door? Because Valsad is near to us. Valsad station. Now I'll do the train. Mission success. Congrats. My score is, everybody, you know my score is 1,10,000. I can't able to read, so I'm reading so slow. I can't read the number names of such big numbers. Everybody, you can see the score over here in the right. This is a good game.